To celebrate Teachers' Day, we shared a token of love with our retired teacher residents, those who spent their lives shaping young minds. We were lucky enough to hear from Molya and Ghosh Dida, two of our senior members, who shared their heartfelt experiences and offered their wisdom on what it really means to be a noble teacher.
তখন আমি শান্তিনিকেতন থেকে সবেমাত্র পাস করে এসেছি, সেই জন্যে আশাটা ছিল তো কো এডুকেশন। তারপরে তো আমাকে দিয়েছিলেন যে তুমি এখন চলো, এখন আমাদের স্কুলটা হাই স্কুল হবে, মেয়েদের স্কুল, তখন তুমি হেডমিস্ট্রেস হবে। খুব ভালো। আমার বাড়িতে এসে সেক্রেটারি আমাকে
আমি ভাবলাম আমরা তো এইসব শিখিনি। হ্যাঁ, আমরা তখন টিচার মানে টিচিং প্রোগ্রাম করে সাজানো হলো। পরে আমি যখন দেখলাম, আমি যখন ওই আরও স্টাডি করেছি, তখন দেখলাম ওইটা বইতেই আছে, মানে আমাদের যে দেওয়া হয় সেই বইতেই আছে, সেটাই চাই। তখন আমি ঠিক করলাম যে আমি যখন নাকি টিচার হবো, মানে শেখাবো স্টুডেন্টদের, আমি এইটাকে শেখাবো, আর কিছু শেখাই না যায়। কী করে মেয়েদের ডিউটি লিস্ট, প্রত্যেক মেয়ে যাতে ডিউটি সমানভাবে পায় সেটা শেখাবো।
Thank you so much for remembering me on this very auspicious day. Actually, একটাই দিনকে আমি টিচার্স ডে মনে করি না, আমি সারা জীবনে প্রত্যেকটি দিনকে একটা টিচার্স ডে মনে করি। কারণ আমাদের ঘর তো আমাদের প্রথম স্কুল না। মার কাছে প্রথম সব শিখলাম, বাবার কাছে শিখলাম, ভাই বোনেদের কাছে শিখলাম। তারপর একটা ফর্মাল যা এডুকেশন ফিল্ডে আমি যেতে পারলাম জাস্ট বিকজ অফ মাই মাদার। তো ওখানে তো একটা ওয়ান্ডারফুল এক্সপিরিয়েন্স হলো, একটা অন্য জগৎ থেকে আমি যেতে পারলাম, এটা আমার অসীম সৌভাগ্য। I feel myself privileged that I have been in teaching profession for so long. I have served for 45 years and it is very fulfilling. I am very happy. लेकिन सबसे बड़ा टीचर, सबसे बड़ा शिक्षक ये ज़िंदगी है। उस ज़िंदगी को सलाम, उस ज़िंदगी को धन्यवाद जिसने मुझे इतना कुछ सिखाया। Thank you so much.
How do you understand what dementia feels like? At Jagriti Dham, our team found out. As part of their 6-week intensive training, they tried a simple task, buttoning a shirt. The catch? They had to do it wearing thick gloves and dark translucent glasses. It's a powerful experience that gives our caregivers a first-hand understanding of the struggles our residents face, deepening their empathy.
Our residents had a wonderful day out. They headed to Amtola for some festive puja shopping with our amazing care team.
There's a special kind of joy that comes from celebrating together. The heart of Jagriti Dham was truly on display, as our wonderful residents gathered with reverence and happiness to honor Vishwakarma Puja in the community they cherish.
The Jagriti Dham family came together to welcome Ma Durga home. Our community hall was alive with celebration, starting with a soulful prayer from our very own Molya Dida. We shared moments of joy through songs, dance, and recitation and capped it all off with a special puja lunch together, a beautiful day celebrating as one big family.
শ্রী রঘুনন্দন রাম লক্ষ্মণ শ্রী রাম লক্ষ্মণ।
এবার ঘোড়ায় আসবে জানিস তো, তাই বললাম ও তাহলে, তখন বললো যুদ্ধ হবে হয়তো, তো ওই 71 ওয়ার্ডটাও হয়ে গেল, তো আমি ওটা জুড়ে দিলাম, আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ তাই বুঝি। তারপরে দেখলাম যে বোধহয় সত্যি কিছুটা আছে এর মধ্যে মিনে।
The heart of the festival isn't just in the art, it's in the experience. We took that spirit to heart as our residents and care team explored the incredible pandals right here in Behala.
This year was different. A new chapter began, a dream we've held close to our hearts. For the very first time, Ma Durga came home to Jagrati Dham. Shaptami morning began with the sacred Kola Bohu Snan, leading to that one breathtaking moment, the Bodhan. As her divine face was unveiled, our very first puja, our new tradition, had truly begun.
Then came the heart of the celebration, Maha Ashtami. Together as one large family, our hands rose in prayer, offering our Pushpanjali. And as the sacred hour approached, the air grew still, the energy shifted. We witnessed the divine power of Shandhi Puja, a moment of pure devotion and spiritual awe that bound us all together here, at our home, Jagrati Dham.
Mahanavami glowed with the sacred fire of the home, but the true light came from our elders. We watched, our hearts full, as they held a simple beautiful competition. How much light, how much joy, could a single matchstick spark? Their laughter lit up the room, a perfect prelude to an evening of swirling colors and the vibrant energy of Dandiya.
Then came the final day, Vijay Dashmi, a day of such beautiful sorrow. Our hearts danced to the rhythm of the Dhunachi Nach, a smoky, fragrant offering to Ma. With heavy hearts, we bid a farewell, played with vermilion. And finally, the Bisorjon. With tears in our eyes and a profound sense of peace, we accompanied Ma on her journey home, whispering Abar Esho Ma. Come again, Mother. Until next year.
Pujo is a feeling that connects us all, no matter the distance. And this year, our heart, the spirit of Jagrati Dham, traveled thousands of miles to New Jersey's grandest celebration with Kallol. Our name welcoming devotees at the main mandap, our videos sharing the story of our home.
The spirit of Kojagori Lakshmi Puja, a feeling of pure devotion and quiet joy, filled our home at Jagrati Dham. Our family, residents and caregivers alike, gathered as one. Our home glowed, with beautiful alpona, fresh flowers, and the soft light of dayas. The sound of prayers and Pushpanjali to Ma Lakshmi filled the air with a truly sacred peace. And, of course, the evening ended with a traditional feast and shared laughter.
वस्त्रं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीवर्णहद्दित्ताभ्यो नमः ओम लक्ष्मी नमः ओम त्रिदलं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं तथा त्रिजं शिवार्पणम् ओम पूर्वस्वाकृष्टाभ्यां नमः वर्णहद्दित्ताभ्यो नमः ओम श्रीलक्ष्मी नमः.
At Jagrati Dham, active aging isn't just a phrase, it's the heart of our home. This World Mental Health Day, our incredible care team proved it once again. They designed beautiful, thoughtful moments, not just tasks, but pathways to joy. Keeping the minds of our residents sharp, their spirits high, and their hearts full.
The first glow of Deepavali, it began right here, at our home, Jagriti Dham. Our beloved residents gathered for Dhanteras, sharing sacred moments of puja for Lakshmi and Radha Krishna. Together, we lit the first lamps of the season, welcoming health, prosperity, and the light of shared joy into our family.
The festive spirit sparked such wonderful creativity. Our elders' hands and hearts came together, crafting beautiful paper flowers, leaves, and intricate torans. It was more than just a workshop, it was their personal, loving touch, making a home shine for the celebrations.
This Diwali at Jagriti Dham was a celebration of pure heart. Our home glowed, lit by intricate flower rangolis and the sacred light of countless diyas, but the real warmth came from our shared spirit. Every resident received a token of love, a special gift to mark the occasion. And as night fell, the sky itself celebrated with us, a burst of joyous fireworks and beautiful lanterns, carrying our collective wishes for peace and prosperity into the stars.
There is no greater joy than welcoming family home. When our beloved Ghosh uncle, our eldest resident, returned to us after a health challenge, our hearts were full, our team was by his side, and when he came back, our whole community was there to embrace him. It was a beautiful celebration of his strength, and a reminder that here at Jagriti Dham, we stand by each other, always, because here, care, truly is family.
Mornings here at Jagriti Dham are a gentle unfolding of joy, from the quiet rhythm of a morning walk and shared laughter by the swing, to the deep, golden peace of finding stillness in the sun.
Here, your health is nurtured in our well-equipped gym, where our dedicated caregivers are always by your side to offer assistance, ensuring every step of your wellness journey is safe and supportive.
In the warmth of our Adda sessions, shared laughter soon turns into unfolding stories, knitting us closer together as one large, loving family.
Here at Jagriti Dham, we gently nurture the mind, helping our residents cherish a lifetime of memories while creating new moments of joy every day.
Every game of carom, every shared hand of cards, and every playful round of pool is a cherished moment of laughter that keeps our families' bodies full of life and their minds wonderfully sharp.
And at the very heart of Jagriti Dham, you'll find the soul of our community, our residents, gathering faithfully in the temple, their voices united in a beautiful, daily rhythm of peace for the morning and evening puja.
It is profoundly moving to witness our residents, their hearts and voices united, chanting the sacred verses of the Gita right alongside the priest.
There's a special kind of warmth when our residents gather in the AV theatre, sharing laughter and the magic of the movies, right here at home.
Every visitor and short stay guest brought their own unique warmth, filling our home with new joy and the blessing of cherished, new connections.